Hey guys, hope you're all doing fine. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you where you can get beauty products or beauty accessories, hair products, and also perfumes from DUBOIS. Let me tell you, Mina, these perfumes, you're going to get compliments for applying these perfumes. Yeah, that is an exciting one, guys. So if you love such content of beauty and lifestyle content, please just join the community, join this family, click on this red subscribe button here and subscribe for more videos. So guys, let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to start with this one, and all are from Imani Cosmetics, and the Imani Cosmetics shop is located at Perida Centre, and I'm going to leave the contacts, guys, because this is another business idea for you, because you need this one. So I got this smells so good, and there are so many varieties, guys. You just need to go and test them and feel which one you want. So this is so nice. This is Burberry. Yeah, this is Smart Collection Burberry 103 for women. So nice. This smells so good, and this is 15 ml, and this was going for 150 shillings. So let me show you. Just very small. 15 ml ni kitu kidogo sana. This is 15 ml, but let me tell you, Mina, the scent, it has that sweet scent. So guys, this one smells so nice, and everyone is going to compliment you. They're going to ask you what you are using. This is so nice. So I got this one. So the second perfume, so this is the second one, and this is Carolina, so nice, for 75 women. Let me show you how it looks, guys. This is so nice. I'm so excited, guys, to share with you, because I want you to smell good. This is so nice. This smells better than even this, the first one which I showed you guys, and they are all 150 ml. This is another one. Carolina is the next one. This smells so good. Number 475. Just go and get this one. Why lie? This is so nice. So, and the third one was this one. This is so nice, and this is bigger than these other ones which I already showed you. Let me show you. This is Scandal 538. This is the packaging. So guys, this is Scandal 538, and this is bigger than the first two which I showed you. This is 30 ml, and let me tell you, Mina, this, this smells so nice. Just go and get this one. Once you have this one on, everyone is going to ask you which perfume you are using, because, like, I'm not lying, they smell so nice. Yeah, sio zenye zinajua ikiwaka, you know. Si zenye jua ikiwaka zinaanza kusmell sewage. No, these are so nice. So, and look at this one as a biashara. You can do your business with these. You can just market them online and you make a few coins. So the next one which I got, this is not a perfume, but this is a spray. The cologne smells so nice, but the cologne has been missing. This is Rasasi. This is deodorant, body spray, Catherine, and this is Rasasi. Rasasi, they normally have very nice spray, and this was going for, yeah, this is 300 shillings. And guys, I forgot to tell you the cost of this one. This was going for 350 shillings. You can see they are so affordable, especially if you get the cologne one. It smells so nice, and also it lasts longer, guys. So we are done with the perfumes. You need to go grab one for yourself, or even 2 or even 10. So guys, next ones are the hair products which I got from DUBOIS, and the first one is this is Soft and Free. I can't even remember the cost, but I think it was 230 shillings. This is another gel. This is a styling gel, and I've used it on my edges, and this is so nice. Also does not leave flicks, and you need this one also, especially for your hair. And also I got this Mikala cleansing shampoo, and this is normally very expensive. It's on the higher side. This is normally at the higher side if you're going to buy it from the supermarkets. So you can always go at DUBOIS and grab one. especially if you use this one. I love this shampoo and their conditioner. I've been using these ones for so long and they're so nice, so good. Yeah, this was going for 250. And also I got this Mikala hair mayonnaise, and this was not from DUBOIS, but because it got up, let me just show you. I got this Mikala hair mayonnaise for my hair. I also got this bun. I have this afro bun, so nice. And also the one which I have for 350 shillings only. I got this one for 350 at DUBOIS. And also this one is also from DUBOIS, and you can also do business, guys. I'm sharing with you so that you can get another business idea. You can do business and make money. So this was going for, yeah, this bun was going for 200 shillings. Na hii ni ile kubwa. This is not the smaller one. Yeah, this was 200 shillings. And also I got these socks. These are so nice, and this is cotton, very nice cotton, guys. This is not nylon, ini cotton poa, see. So I got this one for 100 shillings, very nice. And also I got these for my edges. These are a brush for the edges. You can aside your braids. So this is how this looks for the edges and for the braids. And also the next thing I got is this. It's like a spatula for mixing. So I got this one, and you can use this one to apply mask on your face. This is so nice. So the next one is this eyeliner pencil, and this is how this looks, and this is so good also. Why go for the expensive ones and you're not eating it? So this one. And also I got spoolie. This spoolie, they keep on coming out, so you just keep buying and edge. So this one is a bit stronger because the one which I had, this thing came out, so you need to keep buying. So I have this one. I got this one. The last item I got from DUBOIS is these wipes. I got these wipes from DUBOIS. And the last thing I got these ones. And I got this hair removal cream. And I have a video of this one. You can check it out on how you can use this to remove hair, especially for those people who are afraid of waxing. This is so nice. And guys, that is it for this video, DUBOIS haul video. And I'm going to leave the contacts of where I got all these things from so that you can also get them. Yeah, and that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Much love to you all. Bye.